What's up, everybody? If you're skilled in hacking, the good news is you can make more money than you can ever imagine from hacking. In this video, I'll be covering 6 genuine ways you can make money from hacking. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the ways you can earn from hacking. Number 1. Bug bounties. HackerOne announced on the 29th of August 2019 that 6 hackers signed up to the bug bounty platform have earned more than $1 million each. At the time of making this video, there are now 8 hackers who have earned more than $1 million each in bounties from the #1 bug bounty platform, HackerOne. The first hacker to make up to $1 million in bounties was 19 years old at the time. He goes by the name Santiago Lopez. One of the major ways hackers earn money are bug bounty programs. This is where companies offer cash rewards for hackers to find vulnerabilities in their product and disclose them. As soon as they discover these loopholes, they report them and they get paid. Bug bounty programs pay out varying amounts depending on the severity of the issue that the hacker finds. HackerOne, Bugcrowd, Integrity, Signout are some of the most popular bug bounty platforms most hackers are signed into. Number 2. Getting a job as a pen tester, researcher, analyst, etc. There is a high demand for cybersecurity professionals and experts due to the increase in cybercrimes across the globe. According to PayScale data from August 2020, the average penetration tester salary in the US sits at $84,690. Getting a job in the cybersecurity field most times requires a degree or certification of some sort. Unlike bug bounties, where anyone skilled in hacking can easily participate and earn. Number 3. Freelance. As a hacker, you can earn some really cool cash as a freelance. A freelance is considered a self-employed person who sets their own rates, works remotely at their own location, and wherever they choose. Number 4. Building security tools. If you are skilled in software development, as a hacker, you can earn from building useful tools and then creating premium features or versions of the tool. Tools like Bob Suite and Nexus are great examples. You can also earn from donations and sponsorship. Number 5. Teaching hacking. If you are skilled in hacking, you can pass this knowledge across to others and earn from it. You can create courses online and charge people for it. You can also create a blog which will then be monetized in various ways. You could start a YouTube channel, publish a book, or even do a one-on-one training for a higher fee. Number 6. Consulting with companies. If you are known as a competent and professional hacker, companies and business organizations will approach you for professional or expert advice, and you could earn huge sums from it. There are a lot of ways hackers can earn from hacking. These are just some of the common ways hackers earn legally from hacking. If you genuinely find this video helpful, please hit the like button and ensure you subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.